Hey, what's up, good people? Just I'm about 20 minutes away from Cherry Springs State Park, where I had to come out here to try to get the Milky Way. Try to do a time lapse if I could. I really wanted to just come out here and see how it is, but then I saw some videos about it, where to park and do all that stuff. So I don't know, I'll probably stay out a few hours, see what I can catch. Like I said, come out to different locations to see the firmament in ways that you can't see at home. Like you have to go to certain states or job like that. So yeah, I'm out here to see the Milky Way. Apparently it's still hanging around after billions of years, so I'll try to catch it. All right, just hanging out. It's I don't know, what's today, Saturday, December 4th 2021. All right, so I just wanted to send this out. All right, see what I can catch. Probably take Logissa up too, see something. I don't know what to expect. My first time here. That's what we do. We just go places. All right, stay flat. What's up, good people? It's Jay. Thanks for tuning in. I just want to show a quick video with Logissa, my drone. And December 4th, I was out at Cherry Springs State Park in Pennsylvania. And that is the only place on the East Coast where you're able to see the Milky Way. For some reason it's still hanging around that we can see it. But I went out there, like in the off season, and took the drone out for a little observation before it got dark. But it was so cold, Logic's lens fogged up real bad. I was trying to get a lot of pictures, but I have to go out there when it's much warmer. He said the best months are between July and November. So I was just a tad few days late, and it was pretty windy and pretty cold out. Even Logissa got shooken around a little bit. But this video, I just wanted to do this before it got dark, so I sent her up to look at the sun circumnavigate, and as you can see, the clouds on the left and the clouds in the center right above the sun, they're pretty bright. The clouds on the left are kind of pinkish, the way that they would say that the sun is shining up underneath those clouds, going around the side and downward on a space ball. You can see those clouds to the left are kind of pinkish, like I said, and the sun seems to be leveled. And this is what I mean if I didn't go above that mountain and I'm just still standing down there on the ground, we'll say that the sun is setting and it's going down. This is what I mean by it's not going down. It's just going back away from our perspective. And I said, we are not giants to the point where we can see over the mountains, And just because it goes over the mountains, it is written in the Bible that the sun rises and sun sets, because we are not bigger than the mountains. So it appears that it is rising and setting. But if you go up, you'll still see it. If I was to go a little higher, which I couldn't because the wind was really bad, and the drone let you know. You know, it's a wind advisory, and shaking her around a little bit. So I didn't stay up too tough, too long. So I just bring it back down. But I just wanted to point that out. That this is what I mean. The clouds, and they're pink over here too. How could it be pink on the other side if it's going down behind the drone there? It's just going away from my view, you know. Yeah, I just wanted to go up for a little bit and see that before it set or circumnavigate it away. But yeah, the clouds are pink, and I told people, I said, the sun is leveled with the clouds, so it's shining through. It's not going underneath it, it's shining through. And this is a perfect example. If the sun set, I shouldn't see it. That's a big ass mountain. But people want to stand on Earth and say, oh look, underneath the clouds is orange, so the sun is setting. But that's not the case, obviously. No, you can see it right here. I don't know how high I was, can't remember, but yeah, I was high enough to still see the sun above the mountains. But I plan to go back. I just want to go out there and see what it was all about. And the camera lens on Logic Senior like fogged up real bad. I couldn't see anything. I just got a few stars. I saw the dipper. I saw clusters of stars. I've seen a bunch of stuff, and I'll definitely go back when it's warmer. All right. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show this real quickly. Just so it's like my first video with her, and yeah, she's part of the family. Logic Junior, Logissa, and Logic Senior. Stay flat. The only thing that trumps Logic and Logissa is proof. Oh, and before I get out of here, when exactly, again, is the sun 93 million miles away from you, the observer? Is it here? No? Is it back there? Is it there? Is that 93 million miles away? Maybe it's there. Stay flat.